Good morning. It is hump day. It is Wednesday. It is the Bubba Show. Hope you're all having a wonderful week. And, today what I thought I would kind of do is talk about the state of the markets as I see them. It's interesting how markets trade and how they eventually flush out and figure out where they're going to go. As I've been saying for quite a while, and you know me, I don't hide from anything. I thought that there was a top in the market somewhere around 1550 in the S&P, 1530. Now we're up around 1580. Again, I'm not fighting the overall movement, but I can start to see some reasons why we want to, not get short. Now this is more for investors. If your 401ks, your IRAs, this is where you want to have some pretty good stops underneath the market, just in case. We're starting to see a lot of divergences in the overall market. We're starting to see a lot of things that are giving warning signs, and they should be flashing off in your mind. There is a problem. And the warnings that I'm seeing here is, first of all, the Dow will never lead a market higher by itself. The Dow is always the last to go because that is filled with the safety stocks. The defensive and safety stocks have been the stocks that have been going higher. So that's issue number one. Issue number two, the transports and Russell have been making lower highs over the past couple of weeks. That's a warning. It's another warning sign saying, you should be careful. Again, this is not okay, let's get short. This is a warning sign saying, maybe we need to be taking a look here and at least protecting our long-term portfolio. Another thing you want to look at is the advanced decline line. Okay, the number of advances to the number of decliners is getting narrower. Okay, this is another sign that says, maybe the market is getting a little tired. The market is driven by, especially trading the right stocks can be pushed around by the numbers if it's hitting certain buttons on certain stocks. And the other big thing you want to take a look at here is the new lows. We are at now the highest amount of new lows since last November per day. And that's stocks making new lows. Now, if you take a look around the board and you take a look at stocks like Caterpillar, not at all participating in this rally. Apple, not at all participating. So from different sections, the financials have been extremely weak over the last section here of this market. So you have to start to say, is the market starting to roll over? Now, we're not going to anticipate a rollover. What I'd like to see is a market build and make a couple of lower highs and then come back into a spot where we could actually take an advantage of the short side of the market. But the overall state tells you that it's just time to be cautious. Have your caution, be ready to go, be ready to trade. But again, as we always say, follow the footprints. For Wednesday, the Bubba Show, have a great day.